What's up, YouTube? Today we'll be removing radio from Acura MDX 2015 model. It's gonna be straightforward and pretty fast. So what was going on with the radio, hit bumps, so forth, it just shuts on and off whenever it wanted to. But the thing that we're doing, we're replacing the radio, taking it out, the whole nine. So I've already did the work. I'm just gonna show you how to do it from this point. So start off with a flathead screwdriver. This whole trim is gonna pop off as one piece. So you got catches right here, right there, along the sides, up top there on that side. So what I like to do with mine, flathead screwdriver, stick it underneath where it feels a little slack, and just pop it off. You're not gonna tear it, it's gonna make a little clicking noise when it comes off. So you pull up on it like this, and it comes off. And when you pull it off, you got a plug behind it that you're gonna have to disconnect, which is that blue one. Plugs in right there. So that blue plug is gonna be in there. So take that blue plug out so you can move this over to the side. This plug right here is gonna be for your fan control right here. All of that stuff plugs up into the back, like so. Unplug that, push down a little clip from the back side, you can't really see it. Then you got two 8mm bolts under this right here. You can't see them, but you can feel them. If you look through there, shine a light, you'll see the top of the nut with a bolt. So what you're gonna do, get your 8mm socket, you'll fill up under there first with your finger so you get an idea where it is. Gonna have one right here, probably directly in line with the on off and the temp control for the left side. And the right side is gonna be right underneath where the temperature control sits. So you don't have to take the nuts or the bolts all the way out. Loosen it up just so it'll slide forward. Then you got 4, 1, 2, 3, right there. And the fourth one, with your Phillips heads. Take those 4 Phillips head screws out. And then when you do all of that, loosen those bolts up like I was saying, the 8mm bolts. Reach underneath that, and it should just wiggle loose, kind of like that, and pull forward. So, where you disconnected it, you're gonna have a little space, a little leeway to deal with. Okay, get everything above that. Disconnect. Please disconnect your hazard light switch, which is right here. It's a little wire back there. Unplug it. When you unplug it, it's gonna just slide out, just like that. Then you can move the radio forward. Give me a second, bear with me. Move it forward like that, and you got access to all your wiring back here. This is your power wire source, your speaker, amp, Bluetooth connection, XM, and your regular antenna, all down here. So once you get all of that stuff squared away, unplug it. Do what you will if you want, put an aftermarket stereo in it, or what have you. And once you're done with that, it goes back in the opposite way. As always, like, share, subscribe, and that's the simplest way that you're gonna be able to get this radio out. Actually, I think it's the only way, besides ripping out the whole dash. But you get the idea. Have a good day.